Come on. Come on, Emma. Come on, let's go. Come on, Emma. Come on, Kirsten, let's leave her. Come on, Kirsten, let's leave her.
Emma, tip it over forward. Tip her over?
Yeah, tip her over.
Okay, ready? Yeah. You gotta walk, okay? I'm trying.
Get up. Get up.
Get up, walk. Like this. Emma, like this. Okay, now ready? Okay, I'm gonna flip you over and you gotta walk under the feet.
Come on, Emma, you gotta walk on your head. Here, ready? Come on, walk, Emma. Walk, Emma.
Oh my god.
I'm hurting. My throat hurts.
Oh my god, Emma, get in this room. There's stuff in that one. Just like
Bags.
Yeah.
Come on. Come on, Emma, get in there. Get in there.
it was just bags.
Get in there, Emma.
Here, I'll flip it around.
No, Kirsten. Just leave it. Just make her get in. Get in.
There's gum in here though.
Oh.
It was wet too. Okay, get in. Oh. Here we go.
I wonder if you'll actually fit.
Walk it.
Come on.
Wait.
I can't believe you actually fit. Walk, Emma. Walk, Emma. Emma, try to walk without your hands, Emma. Emma, try to walk. Walk. Emma, just try. Go. Emma. Hello. Come on, Emma. You gotta get 10 steps. 1, 2.
Make her walk down the ramp.
Yeah, come on, Emma. Let's go. Walk on your hands and knees. You're like a dog. No.
Okay, take it off. Tell me to get up here. Do it again.
Should I keep on videotaping
Yeah.
this?
Okay, I'm gonna get in it and you're gonna walk
I'm
down.
surprised we haven't gotten in trouble. People just think it's funny.
Yeah.
Even teachers are making fun of you, Emma. Come on, Emma, go.
I'll hold it. Okay, now walk on just your feet, Emma. Get up and walk.
Walk, Emma. Come on, Emma, let's go.
There, it's falling off. Sit down on it. My knee hurts.
What was that, Emma? What was that? It makes like a popping sound.
Jamie.
Jamie!
So he can hear you. Oh shit, I was gonna tell him to come sit in this one. Emma, sit in this. Will you tell him?
Okay, guys, are you done?
Bonnie,
You're done.
Wait, Emma, sit in this. We'll roll you down.
Guys, this is a long video.
Okay, Emma. No, you have to get in it up there.
Hello. Emma, how about you go down the stairs?
Emma, get in it. Not like that. She's so small. Okay, ready?
Hey, go. Come on, keep on going. Come on. Keep on going, Emma.
Hold this.
Okay, got it.
Okay, ready? Emma, hold on. Put your head in more.
Okay, guys, we're done. We're